Hi there, it's Rob from Archie and Me. So finally I've got the wheels and tyres fitted today. It's only taken months and months for the wheels to arrive, and then about 5 different attempts with different companies to get all-terrain tyres fitted. So I've just made a short video, and I'll do another video once I get to B&Q to go and pick up some woods of the actual van with tyres and wheels fitted. So speak to you soon.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be 2 of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be 2 of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be 2 of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
Hey there, so we've literally just been for a drive to B&Q with the new wheels and new tyres on, and I can safely say it is a million times better than what was on before. So I guess it's been worth the wait and worth the hassle of the months of waiting for the wheels to come from Italy due to COVID and the mess around, the fuck around with the tyres of not being in stock when you've ordered them online and all that sort of stuff. So I'm happy. It drives better, drives smoother. I guess with all the insulation, the 25mm floor and stuff like that, you don't hear as much of the road noise. So yeah, pretty happy. Very happy, in fact. So they look amazing, make the van look a million times better, and drives better as well. So fingers crossed, we can get on with hopefully when friends come along to give me a hand to do the wiring, the electricals, and then start the build inside the bed, the kitchen and all that sort of stuff. So fingers crossed. Slowly moving along now. See you later. Bye bye. Come here. So before we go, is Archie. Come here. Hello. Hey, the man of the moment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us both a comment down below and all that sort of stuff. And hopefully we'll see you on some future videos soon. Thank you. That was right in my mouth. Just what Daddy wanted. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Hey, who's that? Who's that? Who is it? Hey, who's that? Hey. See you later. Bye bye.